we'll guide you through how to create AutoCAD layout. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Click the Layout 1 tab at the bottom of the drawing window to open the first layout. Right-click the Layout 1 tab and select Page Setup Manager. Click Modify to edit the page setup. Select your preferred printer or choose DWG to PDF.PC3 if you want to create a PDF. Choose the appropriate paper size, such as A4, A3, A2, A1, or A0. Select the desired plot area and set the drawing orientation to portrait or landscape. Choose the appropriate plot style if required. Click OK to save the page setup settings, then click Close to exit the Page Setup Manager. Next, click inside the Layout viewport to activate it. Set the viewport scale by selecting the desired scale from the viewport scale list on the status bar. Make sure the selected scale displays the drawing accurately on the chosen paper size. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in or out and position the drawing correctly within the viewport. After adjusting the view, double-click outside the viewport to return to paper space. You can also lock the viewport to prevent accidental changes to the drawing scale or position. Add a title block, notes, dimensions, or any other layout objects required for your drawing. Finally, save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Your AutoCAD layout is now ready for printing, plotting, or exporting as a PDF while maintaining the correct scale, page setup, and drawing appearance.